Morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Full tilt grading. We're working close to home. Closest site we've ever worked at. About 5 minutes down the road from our house, so something different. It's actually kind of cool. So this morning we're already running into issues. We're waiting for our PM to come out. The pink lines are where the generator is supposed to be according to the blueprint. 3 feet off the fence, 6 feet off the shelter, and the pad is going to be a 4x10. But as you can see, there's already a problem. The pool box runs right into where the pad's supposed to be. So we're going to get the PM out here. He's going to call At&t and see how they want to fix the problem. So until then, Ed's just going to clear out some stone. We had to take down those brackets. That way Ed could get under that with the 304, the Bobcats, which would be the ideal machine to get under there. Wouldn't have to move anything. He's on a job right now. So let's get started. Clearing out the stone. Look who it is! Perfect! So we have a visitor. Morning, Mr. Bolin.
I can't go any further.
Say hi to the channel, Mr. Bolin.
Hey, you can't do that.
A PM came out here, and the plan is to move this whole generator 1 foot 3 inches to the left, and then just past this pool box. That way this pool box can be accessed again, because if we put it where it's at now, that pool box will pretty much be a dead hole. Won't be able to get in or out of it again. We plan on running our pipes right up the wall next to that 2-inch. We're going to put 1 2-inch and then 3 1-inchers next to it. So I'm not gonna lie, we're kind of surprised we're having this much trouble digging. Being this site is built all on fill. plan shows 36 inches of cover. So we're gonna have to go next to this 2-inch now. I didn't realize that. Ed just told me. I didn't look at the print, so I wasn't really sure. And we have to leave this part of the trench open for inspection. We don't always have a choice. We got all the pipe in and all the grounding done as well. 36 inches of cover over everything. Now we have an inspection tomorrow at 9 a.m. So we're gonna have to leave this side of the trench to the building unbackfilled so the inspector can check it. And the stuff underneath the concrete pad, we're gonna backfill it so we can start forming it, tying our steel, and getting it all ready for concrete.
This is where we usually screw up when we go like that.
No, the last couple we've done that. We used to never do that too. I think we have a lot better luck with these screws now. You know, we don't get as mad when we do it, you know. Like it?
Yep.
And that's it for today. Got all of our steel tied, our form set to grade. We're gonna go to the shop and build the box tonight most likely. If not in the morning, we'll have inspection till 9 a.m. We're about 10 minutes from the shop. All the steel has 3 inches of clearance above it and below it. Number 5 rebar, 12 inches on center. Now, What we had to do here is pad's kind of falling away because of the slope of the grade, so the pad has to be level, obviously. So this end of the pad is going to stick out. We couldn't be any lower because of that box, so it'll look funky. And then on this side, I dug out some extra stone by hand. Look around, see a little bit better. Kind of to give it like a turn down effect, so if that stone on that side ever gets scratched away, there's still concrete there. We passed our inspection. The inspector was very thorough, measured everything. Rarely does that actually ever happen, but we like it. Nothing wrong with doing the job right and him checking it. Gives us a reason to do the job right every time, because most people don't. Have our steel tied in the rest of the way, our box in, have a 2x4 across the top, secure that box down so it doesn't float. We got our forms oiled, plan on pouring the concrete with the 304. We ordered the concrete at a 5 slump, 4,000 psi and 5% air. Got our pipe stubbed up. We weren't able to put strut behind it because when I tried to drill through the shelter, it had a steel frame and I couldn't get in there, so the electricians will have to find another way. So now we wait. The worst part about the job. So now we wait again. Love waiting, not. We ordered a 5 slump, came as a 10. Looked like flowable fill, didn't even have to rake it out. Just hit it with the vibe. Self-leveling, like Ed said.
Oh man.
So now we wait until who knows when. Sick.
All kinds of nice leaves and twigs in there. Take some more slippers this time.
And that's it for this one. Got the pad all finished.
Hey, I want
Brooming
to
it
give a shout
now.
out to Jay Ruth. This guy watches our videos all the time. Never comments, but he told me he watches our videos all the time. So thank you, Jay Ruth.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.